Hi there, folks. Elaine here with WTI. I think everyone should have a little Jettle in their life. Introducing my new pink kettle on the go. Jettle. It comes in white and black too, and I love that it fits into my bag so easily. I could take it to work and have a quick cup of hot chocolate without moving my feet from the desk. So convenient. I realized that you need just a light touch to turn it on, and within 5 minutes you'll hear the lovely beep to let you know that your water is ready. And it's not hot to the touch even though you have 200-degree water. And that's a feature I appreciate. You don't let your eyes deceive you because it carries a lot of water and it's filled up all of my large mugs. So folks, Jettle is the most convenient way to carry your electric kettle with you wherever you go. Enjoy your hot tea or coffee or even soup. We love this, we highly recommend it, and that's just our point of view.